Good morning from Pemberley Farm. Well, this morning we are very excited because our sawmill is finally together. My husband's been working on it for days, and it's together, and this is going to be our very first cut on our new Woodland Mills sawmill. Now, we don't get paid for telling you that. It's just what he decided to order after looking at all kinds of sawmills online over months and months, and this was his decision, and this is what he ordered. So he's going to turn it on, and it's going to be loud, and so I'm not even going to try to talk, but this is the first cut off our new sawmill. Wow, that was not nearly as loud as I thought it would be. He's just trying to skin the bark off of it right now. So let's see what the next one does. This is his first time playing with it. So he's watched a lot of videos and read his book. And we're real excited. We have a lot of plans for the wood that comes from this sawmill, and all these trees that we're going to cut come off our land. Some of them Michael took down, and we stacked them up. Yeah, this tree Hurricane Michael didn't take down. This is one we just had cut because it was beginning to die, and when it died, it would be on a power line, so even if it fell. So we decided to have it taken down. So we did that. So that's a pretty good size log, and I don't think it's rotten all the way through or anything. It was just beginning to die from the top down, and so he decided to have it taken down. And then this is it's oak. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful wood? Oh my goodness. Like I said, this is oak. And no, it's not rotten at all. It just was rotten in the top. But that's okay. That is beautiful wood for sure. Wow. Are you excited? He's a man of few words. Alrighty. Well, he's done a few cuts now, and he's going to check everything over as far as, I guess, the motor and everything is concerned, and look at everything. And but we just thought we'd share with you. We were excited about getting our mill. We've got, like I said, a lot of things planned using the wood from our land that will be cut on this mill. And so stay tuned for that. And we just thank you so much for watching and sharing our excitement with our new toy here that really is a serious toy. So thank you for watching, and God bless you from Pemberley Farm.